Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with performance issues, preparing to sell your laptop, or just want a fresh start, a factory reset can be the solution. Today, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a laptop step by step. Let's dive in. First, start by clicking on the Start menu. Then go to Settings. In the Settings window, select System. Next, click on Recovery option. Under Recovery option, click on Reset PC. You'll be prompted with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Now, if you want to completely wipe your laptop, perfect for if you're selling it or giving it away, you'll want to use the Remove Everything option. Select it and click on Next. Next, click on Reset, and the process will begin. This will take longer because it's securely wiping all data, but once it's done, your laptop will be as good as new, so let us wait. Select your country and then click on Yes. Again, select your region and click Yes. When you reach on this page, just press Shift key plus F10 on your keyboard. CMD will pop up. Enter this code and hit Enter on your keyboard. The machine will restart. Now, on this page, click on I don't have internet option. Go on Configure your computer the way you want it to be. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.